Hey guys, so for today's video I created this purpley, mauve-y, kind of pink look with the Haus Laboratories Stupid Love palette. This is now my 6th time using this palette, so if you want to see my final thoughts on this palette, I let you know at the end of this video because I feel like I've used it enough now to finally form my final opinion. I do have another video on my channel with this palette that I posted the other week where I did a really pretty blue look, so if you want to see that, I'll link that down below for you. So if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on this palette, go ahead and keep on watching. I already primed my eye with a concealer and I set that with a translucent powder. I'm going to start with the shade Stupid Love on a Sigma E25. And I'm going to start this in the outer crease of my eye. And then once I have less product on my brush, I'm slowly blending upwards and just kind of blending this shadow out more. Now I'm going to pick up Plastic Doll on the same brush, and I'm going to place this more in my inner crease. I'm kind of getting a little bit of a dark line right there in my crease. I'm not really sure why, because I did set my lid with powder, so nothing should really be sticking right here. I'm picking up a little bit more Stupid Love and just kind of patting that on the outer part of my lid. Now I'm going to take 1,000 Doves on my finger, and these multi-reflective shades don't really show up that well in my opinion. Like, you can kind of barely see that. They're just not the best formula. So I'm just kind of placing this on the inner like 3/4 of my lid, and I'm doing about 4 layers of this shadow to get it to look like this. Now I'm going to take Replay on a Sigma E21. So I have this on the tip of the brush and I'm going to use this as kind of like a little shadow eyeliner. So I'm just pressing it along my lash line. Now I'm going to take my Haus Labs eyeliner in Punk, and I'm just going to do a basic line across my lash line and trying to stay really close to the base of my lashes. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll come back and finish up the eyes. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take more Replay on my E21. I'm just gonna run that along my entire lower lash line. You guys know how much I love purple on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take an E33 and a little bit more of Plastic Doll, that light pink shade, and just do a slight blend on that purple. Now I'm going to take Light It Up on a Sigma L04 and do a little highlight right here. Alright, and I think I'm just going to do mascara today, so I'm going to go pop that on and I'll show you the full face. Alright, here is the full face with the eyes done. For my mascara, I use the Fenty Beauty one. I've really been liking this mascara a lot. Alright, so this is the eye look I created, and I'm not loving it. I think this eye look is pretty. You guys know I love purple eyeshadows, but I just don't think the formula in this palette is anything to run out and buy. You guys saw I had some problems blending out that Stupid Love shade. It was kind of getting dark in my crease out here. The pink 1,000 Dove shades that's supposed to be like a multi-reflective pearl, I wouldn't call it that. And then the purple Replay shade is really pretty. I love purple eyeshadow, but it's nothing amazing that we haven't seen before. I'm very grateful that I received this palette, but this is now the 6th look that I've done with this palette, and it's not incredible. If you want to buy it, go ahead, do it, but I just don't think I'm going to be using this palette very often anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.